If your vehicle is making a noise when you go to start it, but doesn't fully engage, the battery may be weak or dead and need a boost. All you need is a pair of jumper cables and a car with a fully charged battery. First, you'll need to park another vehicle in front or to the side of yours so that the cars are as close together as possible without touching. Next, with both cars turned completely off, locate the positive and negative terminals on each battery. The positive terminal is connected with a red cable and the negative terminal is black. Connecting the jumper cables can be dangerous if done improperly, so take your time. Take one end of the red cable and connect the red clamp to the metal on the positive terminal of the dead battery. Set the corresponding black clamp to the side, away from the battery for now. Move to the other end and connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the charged battery. Then connect the corresponding black clamp to the negative terminal of the charged car battery. Finally, go back to the disabled car and do the same. With the cables properly connected, start the vehicle with the charged battery first, letting it run for a few minutes. Then start the disabled car. Once both cars are running, it's time to remove the jumper cables, starting with the black cable on the previously disabled car. Remove all the clamps in the reverse order that you connected them. You can easily see why keeping jumper cables in your vehicle is a smart move. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.